Hello everyone! I am Galiga26. This video for today is the continuation of my previous tutorial, Openshot video editor tutorial for beginners. So this would be the part 2. So let's get started. I already added the same file here. So now I will drag the photo on the timeline and I will show how to animate photo. So for the second picture, I will just remove the bars. So to apply animation of an image, just select the photo and then right click and choose this animate. So there's an option, either start of clip, end of clip, or entire clip. So let's say for example start of clip, and then I will choose random. Then the second picture also, so to preview this clip, so I will play to preview. Okay, that's how you apply the animation of an image. Next is to copy the clip. Just highlight and then right click and then choose this, Ctrl C. Then to paste your clip, just move this playhead. Okay, for example, you will paste here and then Ctrl V. Or you can use the mouse, right click and then paste. Okay, so to delete, just highlight and then delete. Next is for the multiple selection, is just highlight the clip and then you can drag it anywhere, or you can use the playhead. Then highlight and then drag here. Next is to remove the track. So I have here 5 track. So to remove this, just right click and then remove track. Next is another way to add your files on the timeline. So I will just remove this, then just highlight your files and then right click and then choose this, add to timeline. So you can shuffle your file, you can click this blue, or you can move up and down. So I will arrange the file. This would be the first image, then the second, and the third image. Next is the video. The last one is the audio. Okay, then you can select the track here. It's up to you. Then for the fade also, there's an option. So I will just choose none. And the zoom also, you can choose here. and I will just apply the transition in random and then click OK. So the file has been added. Then for the audio, I will just transfer it here on the track number 1. So I will drag the audio. Then I will trim the audio. So I will move this playhead and then click this razor to trim the audio. Then move the playhead. Then trim the audio. Then I will remove this audio. Then trim again for this audio. Then remove the remaining audio. Okay, so I will play the clip now. Next is for the keyboard shortcut. On the top here, click this edit and then choose preferences. Then under keyboard, so this is the different keyboard shortcut when you are using Openshot video editor. Next for the view here, select these views and then you can choose simple view. So this is the simple view and the other one here is the advanced view. So this is the advanced view. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment below, or click subscribe for more videos.